Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be doing a bit of a deep dive into a new app. I'm pretty sure it's new. It's very new to me. It's been around for a little while, but it's now really starting to show up in places. We are going to dive into Benable. It's a free app that lets you share your recommendations. You could do products, favorite places to eat, and you can earn money off of sharing and recommending these things. Think Pinterest meets affiliate marketing. Now, I've been on Pinterest for quite a while and I love it. I love going on and making boards, but I haven't made money off of Pinterest per se. So this kind of has best of both worlds. All right, so let's jump into how you can use it. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I'm kind of learning about it and I want to kind of show you guys my findings. So I will say I signed up last week and I have been a TikTok shop affiliate for 7 months now, and I am hardly making anything. Don't get me wrong, I'm not very consistent with it. I just don't have time right now. So that's another reason I'm really liking this app, because it's so much easier to pour some effort into this. In my opinion, I'm getting out more from this app than I am from TikTok. So Benable is a recommendation platform where users curate lists from products, restaurants, travel spots, recipes, and you share them. The best part is if someone buys via your link, you earn a commission. So it's totally free to join, and they've partnered with over 35,000 brands, including big names like Nike, Sephora, Etsy, Amazon, and more, so many more. You can create public or private lists. So what I like to do is when I go in there, I like to make them private until I get quite a few items added to it. Then I will make them public so people can see. But you can do products, services, local spots. You could talk about your favorite nail salon in your area. So what I like to do is I like to browse it on my phone, but if I really want to dive in and add a bunch of links to my list, I will go on my laptop and I will hit the little plus button, and first I will find what product I want to use, whether it's beauty or a fall. I'm really into fall decor right now, so I've been doing a lot of that. But if you want to, you just find the link of whatever it is you're looking to share, and you're gonna copy and paste it into the Benable app, and it's automatically gonna pop up and it's gonna tell you if there's an affiliate code or an affiliate link for that. If there's not, it's fine. You don't have to have a link for every single product, or you can find something else. You could look and see if it's sold somewhere else that has an affiliate link with Benable. It's totally up to you. Another thing I really like about this, so I have a bunch of lists. I'm over 40, so I have a bunch of lists over 40 makeup, over 40 skincare, and a lot of times I'll be out and about and I talk to a friend, I'm like, oh my gosh, I just tried this new skincare device or whatever. You can go into your Benable app, find your list, copy the link, share it to a friend. You text it to a friend, and then your friend has that whole list. They can go on and they can see what's on there, and then they can shop from that link. So it's so easy. It's been so much easier. Anyone can view them even without an account, which is nice. Benable helps promote your list through Discover pages, trending feeds, and SEO. People are browsing the app monthly to find trusted recommendations. So I did something for the heck of it yesterday. I have a list called, Chic Black and Gold Kitchen Finds for a Luxe Cooking Space. So for the heck of it, I copied that whole title, pasted it into Google, and searched. My Benable list was the first thing to pop up on Google. So say someone would have to be very specific when searching that, but if someone were to search for that, my list could pop up, and that's huge. If you can have anything pop up on Google, that's huge. The cool thing about Benable, you keep 100% of your commission. Benable takes nothing. I got my first sale within the first 2 days. Yeah, so for example, I made a sale on, I sold brow glue, and it was I don't even know how much the brow glue is, but I made almost $350 off of that one sale. The more lists you have, you have so much potential to make that passive income where you can literally make money while you sleep. So getting started is super easy. This is where I'm gonna kind of be use my link. This video is not sponsored, but I do have a link where you can join off of my code, and I will get some kind of little bonus, and you guys get something as well too. Plus you get to skip the wait list. There is a wait list, they say. So if you use my link, here's my code, my link, whatever, check the description box. I'll have it down there. You can get in there right away. You won't have to wait. The cool thing is for this, you don't have to apply for a bunch of different affiliate programs, different brands. They're all in one one spot. So it's really, really nice. The first thing I started posting about was beauty, because that's something I feel like I'm pretty like knowledgeable about, my beauty, my skincare. So that was fun. I kind of just went through and I put like my go-to, basically what I did was I went through my daily, like what I use. That was what I kind of started with. And they want you to have like 15 to 20 items per list just to get traction. Once you get a list, your list can become optimized. And what that means, they think it's very high quality content, and they're gonna start pushing that out. They're gonna push it out. It's gonna be available in searches. I have 7 lists that are optimized and 3 that are near optimized. So to get them optimized, you just wanna make sure it's good content. Make sure that you have like 15, maybe around 15 different recommendations. They want your descriptions to be good. They don't want them to be generic. And the descriptions can be simple. Like for example, what's one of the things? So I talked about the Baked Balance and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation from Laura Geller, and I just said, this baked foundation glides on so nice, doesn't settle in any of my fine lines, has just the right amount of coverage. So short but sweet, keep it simple. How the heck do you get paid? Okay, so I have yet to get paid because this is one of like kind of the, I mean, not that it's a downfall, but you have to make $80 in order to get paid. So I'm not close to $80. Like I said, I've only been doing this for a week. But yeah, so once you hit that $80 minimum, you get paid out via PayPal, Venmo, depending on what products you promote. If you promote a product that's more expensive and you get paid like 20 bucks a pop, then you'll get paid out pretty quick. But a lot of mine have been like smaller items, you know. Benable is still pretty new and it's still growing. That's the cool thing. I feel like now is the best time to kind of get in because it's still very new. Even some of like the verified accounts, they only have like maybe like 1,500 followers, which I don't feel like is that many. So I feel like it's a good time to get in and like just kind of, you know, start building, because this is just a way that you can make money literally like while you sleep. So I know I said that already. All right, so I'm gonna go through and just kind of show you how I set up a list. Like we're just gonna go in and start a brand new list, and I'll show you guys how to kind of do that. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I am just using my laptop. You're gonna wanna make sure that you are on your dashboard, or your page, I should say, and you're gonna hit that little purple plus button to start a new list. And we are gonna name this list K-Beauty Favorites. And I'm just gonna go through, and I've already written everything out that I wanna put on the list just so I know. And then I'm going to think of a description for this. You wanna have kind of a detailed description for this part, just so people that see the list know like what it's going to be about. But this is going to work really fast because I already wrote everything down that I want to add to this list. I have a lot of K-Beauty favorites. So once you get the description all ready, now you are going to head on over to Google. And I tried to go to Ulta, but for some reason the website was like being really slow. So I just typed in the CosRX snail mucin, and then once you want, like a bunch of different shopping things will pop up, and I want to use Ulta because I know for sure that they are affiliated with Benable. So then you are going to go to that product and you're going to copy and paste the link into the Benable app, and then it's going to pop up here and it's going to show you whatever pictures, like you can pick, and you want to make sure that the affiliate link is on. So that means you will earn a commission. And then you can go ahead and just pick pictures. If you don't like any of the pictures on here, you can upload like different ones. And then I'm just going to write in a short little description about the snail mucin. So then I'm going to go through and do this entire process with the rest of my list. So this list, basically, I'm going to have 6 separate sections. I will show you how to do that. And then I'm going to have about 3 recommendations for each section. I'm just trying something different with this list. I'm making it a little more like structured. And I will tell you guys what happened from doing this. And it actually worked out really well. So yeah, I'm just going to go through. I'm doing the CosRX all-in-one cream, and then I'm picking the pictures, doing the copy and paste, and then I'm also going to pick the CosRX retinol cream and go through and do the same thing. And now once I had all the products, I want to start doing little sections. So you're going to go up to the spot where it says add section, and I'm going to name these the brand name for each product. So I'm going to have a CosRX, a Medicube, an ABIB,
and so on, like all the products and all the brands I'm going to use. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add each little recommendation to one of the lists, or to one of the sections. Now, this is my list. I went on, see, I have the 6 separate sections, and this is my list. Literally, like a couple hours after I uploaded it, it already got optimized. So Benable, what am I trying to say? Their algorithm really likes when you like make really descriptive like sections and have like very detailed lists and have them very organized. So I will say that worked out really, really nice. And that was the quickest that my list has ever been optimized.
All right, guys, I hope that that was helpful. I hope you kind of understand how to navigate this app now if you were to join. In summary, Benable is a very user-friendly way to share what you love, reach new audiences, also earn passive income. Let me know down below if you guys have been on here for a while, if you've made any money. Let me know if you're going to sign up. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. I will try to help out as much as I can. And thank you guys so much, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Can't be afraid to leave.